All right, so we are staying at the Hyatt House in Nashville, Tennessee. We're going to a concert at a place called The End, and it's within walking distance of here. So I'll give you a tour of the room and tell you a little bit about it. It includes your breakfast. One of the reasons we stayed here is they have parking on site too. You do have to pay for it, but hard to get parking in this area of Nashville, so that's a huge plus. A couple restaurants within walking distance of here, and so it's a pretty good place to stay. They do have a bar, restaurant on site. A little bit pricey, but if you're going to a music venue in Nashville, in this area, definitely hit this place. So we'll show you inside. All right, so we're gonna show you room 719 at the Hyatt House. This is kind of in between Music Row and Midtown of Nashville, Tennessee. This is a one-bedroom king suite with a kitchen. And so we'll show you around a little bit. So here's your kitchen. You got a fridge, microwave, dishwasher. It comes with the dishes and silverware. Pretty much everything you need to have your kitchen operate while you're here. Nice island with stools. This, I believe, is a pull-out sofa. We have a TV in the sofa room area, and kind of give you a little bit of a glance back that way. Closet right here is a hanging space closet. Here is the bedroom. It does have another TV in here. No major issues with the room, just some minor things when we got here, but nothing I would say was a real problem. One of the breakers was flipped, but we just got that fixed and no issues after that. Let's see here. This is another closet. This is more of like hanging space with your safe in here, ironing board, and spot for your luggage, you know, extra sheets for the fold out bed and whatnot. You got a nice spot here to put your luggage as well with some drawers. I didn't even open these yet. I'm not sure if there's any more bedding. No, they're empty. So here's the bathroom. It is a barn door bathroom. And pretty standard. I mean, you know, nothing too wild and crazy, but nice size shower and everything you would need for a good stay. Here's the shampoos and whatnot for those who want to see that sort of thing. There you go. We've liked staying here. It's close to a couple restaurants and a couple music venues, and there is parking on site and a parking garage in the building. They do have free breakfast in the mornings, and we did not partake, but it looked like it was going to be a pretty nice setup, especially from the reviews we've heard. They do have a bar, and I don't know if I call it a restaurant, but they have some bar food from like after 5 p.m. at night. So you can get food on site here. And then, like I said, you can also walk to like a Five Guys and a Mexican restaurant and several other restaurants in this area within a block or two of here. So that is the Hyatt House, Nashville near Vanderbilt.